Hello friends, Mandar here. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to make a video for people who are interested to migrate to Canada for caregiver program. So there are a couple of options for people who want to immigrate to Canada to work as child care provider or child care worker as well as home care providers. So if you are interested in this information, please watch this video until the end and let's get started. So Canada has a caregiver program. It lets you apply for a permanent residency to Canada. So there are two parts in the permanent residency program. The first one is Home Child Care Provider Pilot Program. The second one is Home Support Worker Program. Let's talk about both of these. Both of these programs for the permanent residency are 5-year pilot program. Usually these pilot programs are assessed at the end of their term to determine if there was enough interest in these programs so that they can make a decision whether to move forward in making it either permanent or extending the program. So in this particular program for permanent residency, you need 1 year of Canadian work experience. Home Child Care Provider Program will need an experience in NOC 4411 and Home Support Worker will need a 1 year experience in NOC 4412. Remember, experience as a foster parent or experience as a housekeeper does not count into this category. So in this particular program for permanent residency, you must have one year of experience, as I said before, and also have been offered a job in this category. And with the appropriate education, with experience coupled with your English skills, you can easily qualify for this program. Now I get a lot of questions from people who are outside of Canada who want to immigrate to Canada based on this worker or child care program. In that case, they usually don't have any Canadian work experience, obviously because they haven't been to Canada yet. But they do have significant experience in their home country. So let's look at if there is any other option for them that does not require any work experience. So if you don't have any Canadian work experience, you still can apply for Home Child Care Support or Home Support Program. You still can apply for Home Child Care Provider Support Pilot Program or Home Support Worker Pilot Program. Depending on which category of work you are willing to perform, depending on the category of work that you are interested in, you can either apply through Home Support Worker Program or Home Child Care Provider Pilot Program. You submit the work permit application along with your PR application. If you meet the requirements, you will get a temporary work permit that will allow you to travel to Canada. The work permit will also allow you to come to Canada and work for any employer in this category. By category, I mean working as a caregiver for any of the employers. Now, while you are working on this work permit, you should plan to get at least 24 months of experience, which will be Canadian experience since you are here, and that will qualify you for the permanent residence application. After you have enough experience, such as 24 months, then you can notify IRCC about your work experience. You can send them your documents, and then based on that, they will make a final decision on your permanent residency application. The great thing is your family members are also eligible to come along with you and also be part of your permanent residency application. Now remember, in this category there are still the similar kind of requirements that are needed in other permanent residency application. They are typically your work experience within the Canada, your job offer, your language skills, your admissibility criteria, because getting a visa is one thing and being able to come into Canada is another, which is dependent on the admissibility criteria. That means you have a good background check record and you don't have any criminal history. Of course, the job offer should be genuine. In this category, the minimum English language bar is CLB 5. You also should have at least 1 year of post-secondary education in Canada. You must have completed at least 1 year of coursework post-secondary education in Canada. If you don't have Canadian education, you need to show the transcript which will allow them to assess the equivalency in terms of Canadian education. This category is easier because you are getting a work permit of 2 years that will allow you to come to Canada, build your experience, get a job offer, and based on the experience and job offer, you will be able to apply for permanent residency. It is also important to make sure that you have highest score in English test and also you get your education evaluation done. Please note that the fees for these programs have increased since April 30th of this year. After you apply for the PR application, you will need to do the biometrics, and then within certain duration of time you will know if your application has been approved. So this is a clear path for anyone who wants to come here as a caregiver. If you have a valid Canadian experience, the path is much easier, but if you don't, you still have a way to come here based on the work permit, getting your experience, getting a job offer, and then getting a PR. So for all of those who have asked me this question, I hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.